You could be adding 5, even 10 years to your appearance without realizing it. Most men think aging is the problem. It's not. It's their style. Today, I'll show you 15 common fashion mistakes that instantly make men look older, and exactly what to do instead. Let's get started. Wearing clothes that don't fit. The biggest mistake isn't wearing cheap clothes, it's wearing clothes that don't fit. Oversized shirts make you look sloppy, while clothes that are too tight highlight every flaw and look uncomfortable. Well-fitted clothing creates a cleaner silhouette and instantly makes you appear younger and more confident. Before buying anything, pay attention to the shoulders, sleeve length, trouser break, and overall proportions. If needed, spend a little on tailoring. A small alteration can completely transform an outfit. 2. Wearing outdated jeans. Those faded, baggy, heavily distressed jeans that were popular years ago are now one of the quickest ways to age your look. Instead, choose dark indigo, black, or medium wash jeans with a slim straight or straight fit. They're timeless, versatile, and pair well with almost everything in your wardrobe. 3. Ignoring your shoes. Might you notice your shoes more than you think. Old sneakers with yellow soles, cracked leather, or worn-out heels instantly communicate neglect. Keep your footwear clean and invest in timeless options like white leather sneakers, brown loafers, black dress shoes, and suede Chelsea boots. Taking care of your shoes makes every outfit look more polished. 4. Wearing too much black. Many men believe black makes them look sophisticated. The truth is, wearing black from head to toe often washes out your complexion and emphasizes fine lines, especially as you get older. Instead, mix in navy, charcoal, olive, beige, and white. These colors soften your appearance while still looking masculine and elegant. 5. Wearing old graphic t-shirts. Graphic tees covered in oversized logos, faded prints, or outdated slogans can make you look like you're stuck in another decade. Swap them for plain crew neck t-shirts or subtle striped tees in neutral colors. Simple always looks more mature and expensive. 6. Forgetting to layer. A single shirt can look flat and uninspiring. Adding a lightweight overshirt, bomber jacket, denim jacket, blazer, or knit cardigan instantly creates depth and visual interest. Layering is one of the easiest ways to make even basic outfits look intentional. 7. Wearing wrinkled clothes. Nothing ruins a great outfit faster than wrinkles. Even expensive clothing loses its impact when it's creased. Spend a few minutes ironing your clothes or use a handheld steamer before heading out. Looking neat makes you appear younger, sharper, and more put together. Wearing the wrong glasses. If you've had the same glasses for 10 years, they may be aging your face. Frames should complement your face shape instead of overpowering it. Modern, clean frame designs often refresh your overall appearance without changing anything else. If you wear sunglasses, avoid outdated wraparound styles and choose timeless shapes like Wayfarers or Clubmasters. 9. Wearing baggy jackets. A jacket that's too large makes your shoulders droop and your body lose its natural shape. Look for jackets that fit close to your body without restricting movement. Whether it's a blazer, bomber, or casual jacket, proper structure instantly makes you look younger and more confident. 10. Ignoring accessories. Many men avoid accessories completely. The result? Their outfits often feel unfinished. A quality watch, leather belt, simple bracelet, or minimalist necklace can elevate your style without looking flashy. 11. Wearing the wrong socks. Bright novelty socks, worn-out athletic socks with dress shoes, or socks that constantly slide down can ruin an otherwise stylish outfit. Choose solid colored socks that match your trousers or shoes. For loafers and low-top sneakers, invisible no-show socks create a cleaner appearance. 12. Wearing shiny synthetic fabrics. Cheap, shiny fabrics often look dated and low quality. Whenever possible, choose natural materials like cotton, linen, wool, or quality blends. These fabrics drape better, breathe better, and instantly make your wardrobe look more refined. 13. Wearing pants that are too long. Excess fabric bunching around your ankles makes your outfit appear messy. Aim for a slight break, or no break at all, for a cleaner silhouette. The difference seems small, but it dramatically modernizes your appearance. 14. Following every fashion trend. Not every trend is meant for every man. Trying to copy every viral style usually results in an inconsistent wardrobe that quickly becomes outdated. Instead, build your style around timeless essentials and only add trends that genuinely suit your personality. Classic style always outlasts hype. 15. Neglecting grooming. The best outfit can't compensate for poor grooming. Untrimmed facial hair, messy haircuts, dry skin, or neglected nails all make you appear older than you are. Keep your haircut fresh, maintain your beard if you have one, moisturize your skin, and wear a subtle fragrance. Great style is the combination of clothing and personal care. Looking younger isn't about chasing trends or spending thousands on designer clothing. It's about avoiding small mistakes that quietly add years to your appearance. Fix even a handful of these habits, and you'll notice your outfits look cleaner, more modern, and more confident. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making, and which one are you fixing first? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.